G'day again everybody, it's Blokey McBloke here with a Winnipeg Fringe Festival review 2016. I was out at the West End Cultural Centre, venue 24, and was lucky enough to see Sound and Fury, production of Sherlock Holmes and the Saline Solution. These guys are Fringe veterans, and you find a lot of public domain material used as fodder for Fringe shows. Sometimes you get a literal presentation, sometimes you get an adaptation or a shortened version, picking out the highlights. Sometimes it's just a springboard platform from which to take a dive into the unknown, and that's what we have here. You've got the Sherlock Holmes mythos that everybody knows. That's more than all the background you need to enjoy this show. You know, he's very smart. You know, there's Dr. Watson, who's not so smart, and he solves the crimes that the police can't. That's more than all the background you need to enjoy this. It's got a real range of humour. It's got some audience participation. It's got good use of a lot of props and costumes. It's very entertaining, and certainly the crowd I was with absolutely loved it.